Okay, we swapped.
Lighting up.
Okay, so it's like activating it again. And then it becomes bright. Hey.
It's amazing. I think that we're going to test if the hot, cold, or room temperature water makes it like light up more.
What's the scientific method to start with? Give a question. Usually an observation, right? Make sure it is testable. Make sure it ends in a question mark.
The scientific question is if you have it at different temperatures, will the glow stick like change color or like the brighter or darker?
Does a different temperature water affect, does it glow?
So when you say glow,
Does it affect the brightness?
Do glow sticks glow more in hot water or cold water or in room temperature?
what you think the answer is before you do your experiment. That is called the what? Your hypothesis.
I think it's brighter, which will be lighter, which will be 7 bright, which will be 6 bright.
Because I think that hot water is going to make it dim and cold water is going to make it bright.
When it's night, it gets colder, and you can see it bright. And then at room temperature, it's mid. But in hot water, when the daytime, it's hard to see.
You're cooking. You're cooking. But I wouldn't eat what you're cooking. How would we formally say what you believe then? Like, what are we gonna do with the glow stick?
Oh, put it in the cold water.
So that's kind of what our if should be. If the
If you put glow stick in cold water, then it should glow.
That's exactly how you do it, Andrew. Mia, what's your thought?
So if we put it in cold water, then we think it will glow. And they didn't put hot, so then we kind of have a variety.
Oh, so we have some differences here. That's good.
I just think it would glow up more, and I think the heat, yeah.
We're all kind of separated.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Well, those two, I don't know.
You're okay. So you think hot?
I have no idea.
Okay.
I think hot because when we did the fish, it was the moisture of our hands. So I think when it goes hot, then it'll make it brighter.
I think it's cold because like when it's cold, it will become brighter.
Okay.
I think it's hot because it's the sun, like the heat makes it all warm and then it makes it bright.
Oh, okay.
If you put a glow stick in like the fridge or the freezer, it will keep its color longer. So I feel like if you put it in the cold water, then it'll get brighter.
I think cold water will make it glow the least, and hot water will make it
So really we have three options here. The glow stick would either glow the brightest in the hot, in the cold, or at room temp. Raise your hand if you are predicting it's going to glow brightest in the hot. Look around the room. Raise your hand if you're thinking cold. So in order to perform the experiment, we have to plan the experiment. To do that, we have three what? Variables. What is going to be the independent variable? What's going to be the dependent variable? And what are your control variables?
What's an independent variable?
We changed the water temperature.
Why is that independent?
We're changing it.
Got it. So then if that's that, then what's dependent?
It's how the glow stick, how bright is the glow stick.
Independent.
What is our independent variable?
It's the temperature of water. Dependent is going to be how much it glows at each one.
What's the independent variable?
The independent variable is the temperature of the water.
Dependent variable. What's going to change?
The brightness?
There you go.
Like how bright the glow sticks are going to be.
What are we changing to get there?
The cold water, room temperature water, and hot water.
What are control variables?
The things that stay the same and aren't getting changed.
So what are they?
Bowls, the glow stick. The glow stick, the color, and the brand. Same location, same cup, same glow stick.
Glass, like it has to be in like the same cups because if it's like if one's in a glass cup, one's in a plastic cup, the glass one would probably get hotter or the plastic one would
Good thinking, huh? Whoa. So you're saying water can act differently in certain things? How do you know that? Because we didn't do any experimenting yet. You didn't look it up.
If you like when you like cook something, if you can't put like certain things in the microwave or oven, and so like plastic, you can't really put that in somewhere where it gets hot. But glass, you can put that like in the microwave or oven. Ice could melt more in glass cups than plastic.
Huge.
And we have to do the same amount of water, because if there's more, how do you know if it's going to be brighter, darker?
Because it all has to be the same.
You can't put one in for a half hour and then put one in for 5 minutes.
And the parchment paper.
This.
Yeah.
Oh, so you're saying if we didn't put it down here, if we put one down here and one down here,
It wouldn't be the same.
It's like all the paper is different than the table.
Because this is my the table is like cold if you feel, and this is like a little bit warmer than the table.
we are cooking here. This is great. Yes.
Control group does not receive treatment, and it compares changes and does not test the independent variable.
The experiment group like receives the treatment, so we put the glow sticks in the water.
Experimental gets the treatment done.
So let's look down here. Which of these?
Experimental would be the one receiving the cold.
Hot and cold are receiving like the water.
The treatment slash water.
So the experimental group is putting the glow sticks in the water because the experimental group is what's being tested.
A glow stick chiropractor.
There we go.
And activate. As soon as you put them in the cups, go ahead and start the timer then, okay?
Whoa. Go ahead.
2, 1.
Okay, and then once they get in the water, you got to start the timer.
Yeah. I'll put mine in the hot water.
On go. Okay, now watch closely. Hey, as long as they got in at the same time, you'll be all right.
What's happening?
This one blows. This one's barely going.
It's blowing more in the hot.
So you were.
We were right.
Yay!
The hot is blowing and then the cold is like dim.
Oh, so
And then the room temp is like what it was before.
was this right compared to our hypothesis?
Not mine. I changed my answer.
She changed it.
So me and Kennedy voted hot, and then Brody and Scarlett did cold. Yeah.
So the glow stick in the hot water is better. Stop. Put that down.
Hot,
Way better.
Definitely hot water is brighter.
because the room temperature one, it looks like it's dying. The hot makes it moisture, so it gets it more light, and it expands.
I think it's like reacting to the stuff made from the heat.
Ooh, that one's losing color. This one's bright.
That's what we thought.
Yeah.
Which one is that?
That's cold and that's hot.
I'm data. So it says the cold water makes it like timid, right?
And the hot water makes it bright. Bright.
More bright.
It's a glow stick because look, the glow stick. If you go like that, and then if you go like that, they have the same like this one's lighter. This one's darker.
Just leave it there a little longer, and instead of looking with your eyes, look at the camera. Because cameras pick up light differently than our eyes.
Ah, yeah.
Do you see?
No, but still, this one's still darker.
If we just don't touch them for a little bit, we'll see how the water impacts, like our hypothesis suggested. Look.
It's the hot water.
Because look at the camera.
Yeah, if you look at the camera, you clearly see this one getting brighter and that one
So
getting...
this one just shows the glow stick, but this one shows the light and the glow stick.
Guys, look, that one doesn't do anything.
Yes, Andrew, you're correct. What'll happen when we take them out?
And that one's much brighter than that one is. And then this one's the same color.
What did we learn?
That the hot water makes it glow brighter.
Do we know that cold makes it go dimmer?
Yeah.
How?
The room temperature? The room temperature?
Oh, so you're saying we had something in the middle,
Yeah.
and that allows us to see, well, we kind of found two things out at once, right?
Even when it's cooled out, it's much brighter compared to the regular one.
Excellent.
This is room temperature, this is hot, and this is cold, and it still stays dimmer.
Excellent comparisons. Oh,
And see, as it's in the water, you can see that it's getting brighter.
Yep.
This one, you can tell it's getting like less light.
Wow, so it basically, the temperature works both ways with this.
So this one right here is the cold one.
Yes.
This one right here is the hot one. You can definitely see the hot one right here.
Yes.
It's definitely like more bluish, like more brighter.
Yes.
But then when we swap,
Okay, we swapped.
one lighting up, you can see this one kind of like getting dimmer.
Okay, so it's like activating it again, and then it becomes bright. Hey.
It's amazing.
Hey.
So, temperature does affect a glow stick's brightness. For the cold, it got darker.
For the hot, it got a little lighter.
And then
The room temperature stayed the same.
Yeah, it didn't change it.
Oh, so when we just claim something, we're basically using all the things that we know to say something.
Yeah, pretty much.
Like, we're standing on business. This is what we mean.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay. But we're not standing on business. We're standing on evidence.
Science business.
Science business. Did we use words to compare these, or did we use numbers to compare these?
I think it's qualitative data.
Yeah, because like it's using what's it called? Words, not numbers.
Like, oh yeah, hot was like 300 bright. We didn't do that. What did we say? We just said we just said it was bright. Did we use numbers to describe any of this? I'm pretty sure I didn't hear Bobby say, "Oh yeah, that's 700 bright." Yeah, this was like 6-7. This was like 41, and this was just like 0, right? Yeah, we didn't do that. We don't have those numbers. Now, when we talk about the quantity of something, what are we counting? Numbers. We're saying like, oh, there are 4 chairs at this table. So quantitative data is when we're actually using numbers. Did we use numbers here? Did we say that was 100 bright? We just said it was bright or dim. Qualitative. What did you find out in the research process?
Warmer water causes the chemical reaction inside the glow stick to happen faster.
Because the heat increases the rate of the chemical reaction that produces light. Heat increases the energy of molecules inside, making the chemical reaction that produces light occur faster.
How does the temperature affect the glow stick's brightness?
And what did we find?
We found that warmer temperatures speed up the chemical reaction faster, and colder temperatures
Slows the reaction.
down.
So it dims.